So I'm going to meet my chartered accountant today because things are getting rough out here. This vlog channel is quite expensive to run and it is just leaking money at this point. I don't know why I'm blaming the channel. I'm just spending recklessly, right? But hey, it's not my fault, okay? Trust me, it's not my fault. I'm just a victim of consumerism. Wait, let me rephrase that. I'm a cute, handsome, 6 feet tall victim of consumerism. So even if there are tears rolling down my face, at least they look like diamonds through these Gucci sunglasses. Are But jokes aside, I actually am going to meet my CA for some financial advice. I might just go broke, so yeah, let's go talk to him. Alright, so I just got back from my CA's office and he said, Mohit, your vlog channel is a stupid financial decision. He also went on to say that, Mohit, you are down to your last reserve of cash, so please don't fuck up anymore. I said, brother, the money is there, you just can't see it, okay? Like it's there somewhere out there. It hasn't hit my account yet, so you chill the fuck out. I don't know, he didn't like the sound of that answer, so he tried scaring me. He told, you have to pay taxes in March, so please plan better. I told, does it look like I'm afraid of paying taxes? You tell me, does it look like I am afraid of paying taxes? I told him, if you are afraid of paying taxes, then you're not making enough money. Don't fuck with big man like that, okay? See ya? More like see ya later, brother. I mean, I still had to pay him, so I don't really know what to make out of this situation. But you guys don't worry about me. I'll eat this banana, smash my workout. Also, if you're wondering why are my eyes red, it's because I'm furious. My CA thought I'm a brokey. Can you believe that? Do you think Brownie is afraid of paying taxes? Tell us, Brownie. Tell us, brother. Are you afraid of paying taxes? He clearly is not. Just finished my workout. I'm gonna eat something now. But during the entire course of my workout, the only thing running on my mind was, if the bills keep piling up like this, I have no choice but to start dancing on reels, bro. You guys have seen, na? These people dancing on reels, they make a lot of money. Somehow dancing or shaking your ass pays the bills, bro. I guess I need to start doing that. So I just ate something light at home and I'm now going out to meet Kavin. This might be the last time we're seeing him because he's heading out for Thailand. Bro, I'm running late. This Kavin has been waiting for me on Brigade Road for the last 30 minutes. Bobbies!
Hi.
Kavin's here. Probably the last time you're seeing him on the vlog.
You know, a little time is there, bro. One more week.
One more week is there, but you never know what might happen in that 1 week, right? I'm busy, you're busy, and so is Mehak here, right? Mehak will take up at least 6 of those 7 days.
Yeah, for sure.
Anna,
Try.
6, 7. She didn't get it, bro.
It's the lamest shit ever. That meme is the worst meme ever.
Right, so we are in front of Toto's Pizza, and we've gone for 2 small-sized chicken peri-peri pizzas.
Very hungry, guys.
Very hungry? When was your last meal?
1 o'clock, guys. And more
That's
Sarma has
hectic.
been made. He's made me wait for half an hour. I was fucking sitting and eating grapes.
Sorry, bro. The vlog knows what I was doing. You will find out what I was doing. Bumfuck nothing, but yeah. I'll tell you what I was doing. I bought thermals on Blinkit and I was waiting for it to come.
I was gonna be like, why did you buy from Blinkit when you have Jockey?
Yeah, I ordered Jockey from Blinkit.
Actually,
Yeah.
fuck off. Fuck off. I would have given you a good discount, but no.
For reference, Mehak has Jockey stores.
Yeah. Please come, Jenna, go.
The pizzas are here, Bobbies. First time Kavan's gonna try Toto's. Hey, is that Hari? Wait, I'll go catch him. Hari! Here, bro. Come. Yeah. Open, please.
Oh, yeah.
Please do a big reveal. Brother, it's supposed to open towards the camera.
Dumbass. That's why you can't be an influencer.
Yeah, say what?
That's why he can't be an influencer.
I
Facts.
don't want to be. I have more in my life.
How does it look?
Looks tasty, bro. Actually,
Does look tasty, right?
reminiscent of pizza for peace.
Yeah.
It looks
Very similar, right? Eat, bro.
Very Kishan. What's up?
Ooh.
Oh, came on camera.
That was nice. Where were you, bro?
Work, bro.
And Mac, this is with less chicken, this is with extra chicken, okay? I ordered both because I didn't know if you like more meat or less meat. Bro, the problem is you guys waited for so long. But you saw that it took 5 minutes to come out.
No, it's really good. I really
Crust is very soft.
Sardo.
Sardo. Yeah. At least you don't have to get a reservation 1 month in prior.
I need to have another bite, I think.
Okay. You tell, brother.
Tasty.
It's tasty, right? What the hype?
What the hype? It's good, bro. The little too much tomato sauce for me personally, but overall again solid 8.
Not worth the hype. Mohit.
Not worth the hype. Guys, I've given Mehak 3 recommendations and she's not liked even one.
All have been ass.
ass is little extra, bro. It was good. The place you went to was. You liked the place, just not the item that I recommend.
Food is more important than the ambience. I'm not eating the ambience.
Correct. Why is he agreeing, bro? This guy does the most for ambience. He's like, bro, cafe will go, bro. We want ambience, bro. He does it the most.
You tried the wraps.
Have I tried the wraps? No. You want to try it? Don't do dinner, bro.
Why?
Because Hari is taking us for dinner after this.
Yeah, bro, let's go.
His treat.
Depends on the time.
Depends on the time. We still have time. You know what? We might not be able to go to Kormangla Club where Hari was supposed to take us because it's getting late. So Mehek, how about you give me a recommendation this time? Where should we go?
What do you feel like eating?
I don't care. Anything that you suggest. What's your favorite cuisine?
I don't have a favorite.
Bro, she doesn't know what to eat. I choose what she eats. She can't make one decision also.
That's not true.
Yeah.
He's just saying that for the cameras.
So you
He
give
wants
us.
footage more.
So you tell.
Give them.
Where should we go?
You've been to Palette Corner, right?
Palette I've been, yes. Palette, by the way, is Hari's recommendation.
Okay, but I've recommended. Okay, have you been to Tandoor?
Tandoor we've not
It's a little
been.
expensive, but amazing.
Expensive? Who cares? Hari is paying for it.
Yeah.
Oh, second order is also here. What was this again?
Peri peri chicken wrap.
Okay. What are you
We'll
saying?
just do Palit again.
Palette again?
I feel Palit is better than Tandoor.
No. Have you been to Tandoor?
Yeah.
It's a little expensive, but the food is amazing. You love it. The North Indian chicken there.
North Indian chicken.
North Indian chicken, bro.
Has-
Imported from Delhi.
Virat Kohli.
Oh, Virat Kohli. I didn't say North Indian goat.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
That was good, right? Come on, bro. Try the wrap.
Looks good.
It's a little big, guys.
It's a little big. Show us your skills, bro.
Go for it. Full.
Come on.
Full.
Bro, that was gear than you not going for a full bite. Honestly. Like, what was that even, bro? I'll show you the full bite on this. Hari, could you please open this for me? Right, Bobby, let's do a taste test of the wrap at Toto's.
That was your bite? Take one full bite with everything.
If I take a full bite, then Hari won't get to taste.
It's okay, there's more.
I don't know.
Okay, bro, come in. Let's do a competition.
Okay, yeah.
Let's see who will do a bigger bite.
Wait.
Come. Let's see who will do a bigger bite. Bobby, who do you think will do a bigger bite? Let's go, bro.
Whoa. Okay. Come in struggling. Clearly. Look at that. Come in, man. Close.
Also, I stuffed more.
There's still space. I'll give you a challenge next. Okay, you're going to Bob's for the burger or something like that. No. But how many bites can you finish that Bob's burger or normal burger?
in.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I can do 4 bites.
4.
Yeah.
You don't know the size, but just a number. If you have to finish like a burger, in how many bites?
7. No.
6, 7. Now do 6, 7. Lame fuck.
Eating, bro.
Okay.
How many bites would you take for the Bob's burger?
3.
3. Just because he wants to say a smaller number than mine.
I finished it in 3.
What are you saying? There's no.
Hey, fuck off. I'll show you the video. It's 3. Yeah.
Alright, Bobbies, we're now taking Mehek to Amadora for ice cream. Pre-dinner dessert. Mehek is taking us, yes. For pre-dinner dessert, PDD as we call it. What do we say?
What?
Pre-dinner dessert, PDD.
PDD.
Or? PDD. She got it. I can't believe she got it. Brother, how is this cake? It's good, brother. 1 slice will do. Or ice cream you would prefer?
No.
Alright, we'll do 1 slice, brother. Here's the pre-dinner dessert. Blackout cake that is twinning with Hari. No, his jacket is matching, right? His hoodie.
Yeah?
Yeah, hoodie is matching.
Just taste that, bro.
Yeah, taste it, bro. How is it, brother?
Oh.
Good, no? Let me try.
As good as me, bro.
As good as you are. I don't know what to make out of that, bro. Decent. As good as Hari only.
Bro, this is not good. What's great? Excellent for you.
Mysore mancha. What we ate in Mysore. Oh my
So good,
god.
huh?
So good. Mass. Mama Mass. Bobby is in the auto going to Palette. Why is she laughing like that?
What the fuck is Mama Mas?
The audience will know the reference. Mass. It's not an Oki Mohit reference. It's just a
I figured.
Mama Mass. Oi. What the fuck? Mehek, don't fall, Mehek. Alright, Bobbies, we've reached Palette. But Mehek is going home. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye. We might not see her again on the vlog, guys, for some time.
For some time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're going back to Australia for studies, right? It's okay. Kavan is still there. Ari is here. Some shadow came.
Turned out of the darkness.
Guess who's waiting for us at Palette Bobby's? The one and only fighter Bobby. Adit.
Let's see it.
What's your intro, bro, for your boxing this thing? Like they'll have, right? Every boxer has an intro, no? What's your intro like that, bro?
You all have to decide, bro. I can't come up with my own
What's your ring name?
I can't come up with my own nickname, bro.
You still don't have a ring name.
For those who didn't get this reference, Adit is a boxer and he still doesn't have a ring name. So please help us come up with a ring name for him. Make it wacky, make it scary, but also a little humorous at the same time. Put it in the comments. Right, Bobbies, we are at Palette and here's the first round of food. The roast chicken that Adit absolutely loves. Let's go. You love everything, girl. That's crazy. Hurry, please serve, bro.
Yeah.
Hurry, please.
I said please, bro. I said please. Come on. You guys must be wondering where is Nishok? Nishok is throat fucked. Kavin?
He took it a little too hard last night, guys.
He gave me also. Can you see my eyes?
Yeah, bro, you look like you're high.
Yeah, I look like I'm high, right?
Guys, my cock is massive.
Alright, let's eat the roast
What
chicken.
happened to your main, bro?
Hey, please don't ask me fucking existential questions. Stop asking me. Hari, just ask me what happened to your main channel.
Don't bring up responsibility.
Don't bring up responsibilities, okay? I'm here to enjoy with the boys. Solid. He's gonna love it the most because he's cutting. He's on 1700-1800 calories right now.
Fucking crazy.
GG.
No. Oh, this more, man.
Tandoori chicken is here, Bobbies, and to be honest with you, it's not as good as last time. Not consistent with the tandoori chicken. Right, Hari?
Yeah.
Last time was too good, bro. This time, average. I'll be honest, average.
Lacking flavor.
Lacking flavor, and also the meat is not melting in mouth like last time. Dinner done, Bobbies, and all in all, this time Palette didn't really hit that hard.
Well, they said they fucked up the masalas, but I don't know, bro. I
Yeah.
think the chicken was a fuck.
Chicken was a little fucked, right?
Overcooked, bro.
Overcooked, yeah.
I was gonna abuse him, bro.
Yeah, Hari was disappointed because Hari is a regular customer and he brought us here. So Hari was disappointed, but it's okay, we understand. Anyways, his Rapido is here. Time to cut. See you, bro. All the best. Bye bye.